Okay, we've let this set up overnight, and then I sanded this down a little bit. I added a couple screws in each side. That way we keep it clipped together here so it doesn't open up on us over time. So we're going to put our sides on, but before we do that we want to put our back piece. Remember, we took this out in here and sanded this in here, so it's not going to interfere when we put our dowel that will go in here, because you need the string to go behind the dowel and not rub up against that wood. So we got plenty of play in there. So we're going to set this piece in here, and then we're going to take, make sure you get your right piece that you marked, and then this is going to get glued onto here for our back, and that's so you'll be able to take it on and off if you ever have to get inside to fix anything. So we're going to glue this on here for now. And then we're going to put a couple of nails in this to hold it, and then we'll clamp it. This will keep it from sliding on us when we go to clamp it. I got that piece on, so we'll turn it over and we're going to add this piece. Make sure it fits before you glue it. Okay, we're good there. Enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comments section. I'll get back with you. Put that in place. And then again, we're going to add a couple staples. And you can use brad nails also. I mean, if you don't have an air gun. I've used brad nails for this stuff too, which works just fine. Or you can use small screws if you want, will work. So now we'll put a clamp on this and let it set up. Let it dry real good. So the nails keep it from rotating on us, and the clamp will push it together and glue it. And we'll just wipe that off. Now we can set this up. I'll let it set overnight, let it set good, and then we can, because you might have to sand on this once you get your sides on. So we'll hang that there. Okay, now we got the head, and we have our last two outside pieces. Make sure you're using the one that you got marked. And we're going to check our alignment here with it to see if we have to sand anything down. We do need to, I'm going to sand this down a little bit here. It's easier to sand it before you glue it on, and then have to do it later. And we'll take this and check this side, and again we've got it sanded down there. So that just gives us a head start when we get to that point. And this one's going to need a little bit of an adjustment here also. So what we'll do is we'll sand this down, then we'll come back and get ready to mount that. Thanks for watching.